All right, it's IELTS Speaking Part 2, and your topic is describe a person who encouraged you to achieve your goal. So, please, over to you.
Well, I think motivation is very important. Without motivation and inspiration, it is very difficult to achieve goals. And some people rely on to get motivated internally, and some people rely on others to guide and encourage them. And today, I would like to talk about my father, who has helped me in everything, in whatever that I have done. And my father is lawyer by profession, and he himself has been achieved everything in life. And recently he helped me in achieving my fitness goal. And uh, from a long time, I wanted to join gym and become fit. Um, uh, for Behind everything that I am not regular, I was not regular in the fitness routine, and I was not going to the gym. By I told the problem to my father, and then my father told me that he was going to join the gym with me, and train me with regular sessions. And my father pushed me for giving the best performance. After 2 months, I saw the clear results in my fitness level. And I feel that, and I also made a strong bond with my father by spending such a positive time.
All right, 1 minute 54 seconds. Overall, it's very good. Your sentence structure is fine apart from few mistakes. Now you need to work on your pronunciation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the way English people speak English, so try to copy that. You spoke well. You said in the beginning has been achieved. So, and yeah, pronunciation. And one more thing, fluency. So as you practice, there are some things in your answer now. As you practice, you're going to be all right. And on in few sentences, you mixed present and past. Your topic was total past tense,
Yes.
encouraged. So in on few occasions you used present tense as well. But apart from that, it is good. So overall, I will give you a 6.5. But with a little effort and after improving your pronunciation, you can take it to 7 and above.
Yes.
Right? Thank
Thank
you.
you.